My name is Craig Allmendinger. I'm the CEO and founder of NEScientific. We are a reprocessor of single-use devices. What that means is we take a single-use device that's used in a surgical procedure and we make it usable again. When we really began specializing in this market, we didn't have a clear understanding of where the procedures are, who the physicians are. We had a general idea, but we didn't understand the matrix behind that whole healthcare delivery system. So we were looking for a solution that could give us the data to understand where to go, to understand what products to look at, to understand where the physicians were, and to understand the financials behind those procedures.
Definitive Healthcare has really benefited my sales team in one word, and that's to become more efficient in locating and identifying the information that we need as salespeople to identify potential opportunities.
Currently, I'm using Definitive Healthcare to identify prospects within our market. Instead of just calling, asking, I can already basically see what they're doing before I even get on the phone with them. That way I have a little bit of momentum and familiarity with what they're doing. So I go in with a little bit more knowledge than just straight cold call.
You gain knowledge by finding those physicians in facilities. It makes it so much easier for us to find those people and reach out to them and pull them into our fold to get them on board with us as well.
Definitive Healthcare product easily saves me about 15 hours a week. It cuts part of the prospecting process right out. Instead of Googling and rummaging through links and different social media websites, it clearly identifies who I need to be speaking with, if I need to be speaking with them, and I know that before I even make the call.
We can go in front of these physicians and we could talk with the knowledge that Definitive gives us, and we can bring that into our meetings with the physicians, and we can convince those physicians that we know what we're talking about, that we're on the same side as the physician, and we can provide a real benefit to those doctors.
I would absolutely recommend using Definitive Healthcare. It definitely gives you a step up against your competition. It gives me and my team a better view of the market, so it gives us a better perspective of what we're currently doing and where we may want to go. I always say to myself that if I had this software 15 years ago, it would have changed my world.
Definitive Healthcare provides us with the data that we need to be in front of the physicians, our customers, with the right information at the right time.